Welcome back to our channel, guys, and welcome to Santa Juana tour here in Costa Rica. Today we're hiking with a group of our friends, chasing waterfalls in this beautiful part of Costa Rica. So check this out. Santa Juana is located in the Pacific coast of Costa Rica. It's less than an hour drive from Capos, Manuel Antonio area. And it's about 3.5 hours drive from San Jose Airport. This is a great rural escape, perfect for anyone looking to experience an authentic rural Costa Rican experience. Santa Juana has a great restaurant specializing in traditional cuisine, plus it has a stunning view of the mountains. They also have private casitas situated on a hillside overlooking the surrounding mountain range and the coast.
Welcome to Santa Juana.
There's loads of activities to do around this place. Hiking the waterfalls and botanical gardens. There's also fishing, local tours, cooking class. Totally recommended to check it out when you're down here in Costa Rica. Kilometer hikes to the waterfalls. We're almost there.
Devil's horn, yeah?
Don't touch. Oh, don't touch.
No, it's danger.
Oh, is it?
Starting to see that we're on to something.
You sure about this? Yes!
We'll keep running, nothing in our way. And we got no reason to wait. Let the journey take you where it wants to. We'll continue. Find our way. We got what it takes.
Done.
This is a new makeover that the kids have given today. This is such an amazing place. You can do it!
That's beautiful.
Don't hesitate. Oh wow! Oh my god, that was not far. That was so scary. Oh wow!
Oh my God!
This is where the adventure begins.
Where's the butterfly? Yay!
Writing stories that
Where's the
seem
butterfly
to be
flying
real.
around you?
Taking hold
There we go,
of the
there we go.
moments we discover. Every day filled with
So after a
wonder.
3-kilometer hike into the jungle and rainforest, we basically arrived here in this botanical garden, also part of the Santa Juana tour here in Costa Rica. It's so beautiful, the flowers and the vegetations here is just amazing, and they've got little ponds as well and the waterfalls. They have a deck where they do yoga sometimes, and you can fit about 6 people. So you do your yoga overlooking the jungle and the waterfalls. This is absolutely gorgeous. And so that's the end of our hiking tour, chasing waterfalls in a place called Santa Juana. And I hope you enjoyed watching that video. So we have more videos coming up and more adventures here in Costa Rica. So do not forget to subscribe and follow us on all our adventures here in Costa Rica. Pura vida!